Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for selecting a visible text. Okay, visible text or visible element. You can able to say anything. Okay, 08 visible text or element. What is this basically? A visible element is nothing but in any page, you can see this is the example, okay? You can say this one or you can take for registration, okay? Any kind of thing. And here there are couple of visible texts are presented, right? Visible elements are presented. Sometimes that particular elements may be, it is not a visibility is there. It will be a backend. Okay, that moment what we can able to see what all the visibility of the text are presented or what all the visibility of locators it is presented. Locators is nothing but elements which we are communicated with this particular like web table or switch or something. You can able to say text boxes like this, all the things we can able to do that. Do it is work only for locators? Yes, it is basically a locators and text like because we need to use a particular tag where we can able to use the locator ID. Okay, locators. If you see here, this is a button. Button is basically a field, right? That particular element we need to use and then what kind of value we are searching. Like this particular button, whether it is be visibility or there we can able to verify. Based upon that, we can able to pick and we can able to click. If it is more than that, it is there, we can able to use for some for loop and we can able to print the values. Okay. Or you can choose for any other application also. Okay, I will choose this particular application and I can print for all that elements, what all the things are presented, what all the buttons are presented. Okay. Now I'm going to take this all the things up to here. Now I passed it. Okay, and here I'm going to use for this particular website. Now we pass that URL. Then first we need to identify how many elements are visibility is there, right? We can able to count that as well, or we can able to save and we can able to count it. Anything is okay. Okay. Now int count equal to a page dot locator. Okay, and here I'm going to use the path like a now mine is button. I'm going to check the button colon visible. Okay, now dot count I'm going to take and I'm storing. Okay, now I'm going to print that count how many it is there. Okay, now I'll take and run this one. This is basically how many buttons are visible it is there. If it is not visible, it will not show you. Now you can see 5 buttons are visibility is there. Okay. Even you can able to do for some other way. Instead of doing this, you can able to do for another format also. What format we can able to do? Now you can see here. Here button colon visible is there, right? We can able to use a greater than. Then we can able to use for visible equal to true. Okay. This also work the same expected. Now closing. You can see 5. Both the things work the same. Okay, now if you want to print the text of this all the things, what are the things having for text that I need to do it. then how we can able to do? Now in this situation we can able to take a list, okay, and here we can able to use for all inner text, okay, all inner text, and also we can able to see here a list of string equal to a text, okay. Now this is my text, it will having the text, okay, and then I'm going to use for loop int I equal to 0, I less than text dot a size, and then we are going to use I plus plus. Now here I'm going to use for text dot a get index I dot a text con there is a method called text contains. Why it is not coming? All inner text it is there. Okay, first we can print and see. Yeah, directly. Without using text context, directly it is coming for all the elements. Okay, these are the elements we have already visibility of that buttons. Okay, and maybe you'll get one more question. Can I use only for here? No, we can able to use for anchor tag as well. Okay, anchor tag also it will work. Now I'll use for anchor tag and semicolon, and then again I'm going to use for running. This is basically an anchor tag, which are the things are visibility is presented that all the things, and even you can able to click when you are using for if condition. If that particular matches, then you can able to click. See, Selenium tutorial factory form the login register. These are the things are presented. Like this, we can able to use it. Okay. I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.